Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. What I have on my bench today is a Cobra 148F LTD custom by LesComm. You can see it's got the 6-digit counter in it. Got the blue and the red in the meter. Got the switch lighting around the switches. And of course the blue readout with a black face. Also has Echo built in. RF power control for AM. The Echo board is a TRBX3, the best one out there. And it has the LC6404 installed. We've also done the diode upgrades to Schottky diodes for D1, D2, and D21, D22. We've done the noise blanker improvement. We've also upgraded TR14 and TR15 to high gain, low noise transistors to improve the receive, along with broadbanding the receive. We've broadbanded transmit. And this is a PC412 PC board. You can't see it now, it's up underneath the channel selector there, but it's the PC412. It's the Philippine Cobra 148 board. Doesn't that thing look nice in there? All the cables all nice and neat. And if you notice something out back here, RFX150 hanging off the back of this puppy. This is a really nice radio. As you can see, all of the printed circuit board runs are clean. There's none cut around the PLL. That white wire coming up through the board there and connecting to pin 10, that's from our LC6404. But the board is really nice. Really nice. These wires up here in the front are for the red and blue meter lights. It goes to red in transmit and stays blue in receive. Okay, now I'm cleaning the rest of the knobs. I put 2 new sets of knobs on it, or actually 1 set of double knobs for the Echo board, and then a new knob for the Dynamic. The other one looked pretty bad. The decal on the face is by CMH. He does a really good job on these. Been quite pleased with his work. Don't that look nice? It will have chrome covers on it. And once we get the chrome covers on it, get the knobs all cleaned up and put back on there, we'll make some more video. Okay? This thing will be on sale. It's going to be on sale on eBay. Okay? So be watching for it. We'll also have it on our website. Alright. There it is. I'll have more video once I get the knobs clean and get the covers on it. Thanks a lot. Hello folks, welcome to LesComm. This video is for a 148F LTD custom. It's been LesComm upgraded with an LC6404. We've also added a TRB-X3 and an RFX150. It does have chrome covers. All the readouts are blue. The meter and the TXRX LED changed red when the radio is in the transmit mode. Like I said, it has a TRB-X3 in there, Echo board. Right now we've got it on scan. It does have the LesComm Squat scan. Scanning up at the moment. When it gets to the top, it rolls over and starts back at the bottom. It also has the band up-down switch and the favorite, get and save. Right now we've got channel 38 stored in there. It does cover the 10-meter phone band. And whoever gets this radio is going to have a nice radio. There's the power cord. Like I've said before, the RFX150 cord is a bit short, so I lengthen it with some heavy cable. I also tie the CB power connector into that cable and I have a 30 amp fuse in the connector. That's 20 for the amp and 10 for the radio, for a total of 30 amps. So it's got a 30 amp fuse in it. It's a regular, I think it's called an ATC fuse, the small one. It also comes with a brand new Cobra 5-pin microphone. Okay, I got it plugged in right now, scanning. It has the brand new chrome bracket. It's got new chrome covers on it. I think I've already told you that. Got the brass mounting knobs, studs, whatever you want to call them. And it does have the rubber inserts inside of it, just like the Cobras used to come with. Most of them now are deteriorated, but I found a place that makes rubber washers and ordered a few hundred of them. I'm putting them in all of them now. Also, these covers, chrome covers, on both of the back screws, I have installed a rubber washer, same thickness, because if you don't do that, the covers kind of go in and they don't line up straight. So I didn't like that. I'm kind of anal about stuff like that. So I put two rubber washers behind the covers, in between the covers and the chassis of the radio, to hold them at the right position. There's the warranty sticker. Okay, and look underneath the radio. This is LesComm serial number 18, and the Cobra 148 was made in the Philippines. It's a February, I think it says 81. Kind of hard to read right now. No, February 91, sorry. It's a February 91 Philippine 148. And that's what it looks like. And like I said, I got it scanning up right now, seeing if it can detect any traffic this morning. Things are kind of quiet. There's one minor thing I need to show you about the knobs. The volume squelch, RF gain, and RF power knobs, the yellow lines on them are not correct. Right there is off. Okay, and the squelch line is the same way. It's only on these two though. The rest of the knobs are fine. But this one here, you see the RF gain knob goes down right there. That's all the way down, and then that's all the way up. Same thing with RF power. See, the RF power knob is all the way up. Now the RF power control works only in AM. Okay, it does not control sideband. And the level delay control, take it out of scan, the lines on it are correct. Okay, but you also see that they are orange. And the reason for that is that I had a new set of knobs off of a Ranger that I used to put on the level delay so that they would match the rest of the knobs, the style. The knobs that come with the TRBX3 do not match the Cobra knobs. Alright, you can see we're on 335, and like I said, I've got 38 saved, so I'm going to get it. Now we're back on channel 38. The band switch jumps up or down 45 channels at a time. Okay. It makes getting through the bands rather easy. Instead of wearing out your channel knob, just hit that button and go up. The 5304 also has that where you can jump up 45 channels. But the board in this radio is an LC6404. This is a 148F LTD, custom by LesComm. It covers 26815 to 28725, which gets the 10-meter phone band. Alright. And I got the switches backlit. And Tim over at Snake Radio Customs came up with that idea. So we decided to add it to this one. It was a little difficult because the front of the chassis is just open around the switches. So I had to get creative, but it turned out pretty nice. Like I said, everything is blue until the radio is in transmit. And let me switch to the dummy load. I don't want to be transmitting on the out of the voice band. The voice band is 28.3 to 28.5. And I'm on the dummy load now, and as you can see, it changes to red when it's keyed. Now I'm on the stock mic, and this thing is picking up my voice on the stock mic with me holding the mic way down here. So, you know, you will need to turn the mic gain down. But the limiters are in the radio. I did not disable any limiters. I did turn the ALC and the AMC up as far as they'll go. And of course you control the RF power, AM RF power with this knob here. Okay, RF gain is all the way up. Alright, I think that's about it. The gray tape that's around the faceplate is to protect the chrome on the faceplate. This is a new faceplate, brand new. Okay, bezel. I mean, it's a brand new bezel. Of course, the faceplate's new too, but it's covered up with a decal. Okay, the faceplate on this is silver with black lettering, so I covered it up with a black decal with white lettering. And I think I've covered everything. If you have any questions, please email me. Once again, this is Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Thanks for looking. 7-3. One thing I forgot to mention is this switch here on the back. This is for the RFX150. In this position, the RFX150 is off. You're talking on just the radio. With it in that position, the RFX150 is on. And the 150 is doing about 100 watts on sideband and about 90 watts on AM. Okay?